The KonMari method is all about examining clutter that's in our lives. So that could be in your home, in your business, or in your office. So I heard about Nextdoor from a friend who had mentioned this community of entrepreneurs. So I started attending workshops and just kind of hanging out there. I had been very intimidated by entrepreneurship for so many years, so it really helped me establish that I was on the right path. This is the tidy wheel of impact. So your home is in for this event. The clients that I work with, they know where everything is. I really felt like that was not only a way to publicize my business and get people talking about organizing, but it was also a way to give back to the community. And I make sure that every time I speak at Nextdoor, I tell my story.